Pastor Stephanie Cole Christie found guilty of being a gang member. Mechanic in Kenise Jackson murder case pleads guilty. Man shot in front of primary school in Kingston. Chef charged for gun seized at Hellshire Beach. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. St. Thomas Pastor Stephanie Cole Christie has been found guilty of being a member of the Klansman One Don gang. Presiding Judge Chief Justice Brian Skies said the evidence, including the telephone conversation, shows that she's an insider. The 48-year-old was arrested at her church in St. Thomas in 2019 while preparing for a celebration for her husband, who was said to be a gang's liaison officer and fixer. The gangsters, who enjoyed a close relationship with gang leader Andre Blackman Bryan, was the individual who delivered messages to persons who he did not want to talk to over the phone. The court had also heard that she was the person in the gang who was responsible for securing lawyers and bail bonds persons for gang members who were arrested. St. Catherine mechanic Robert Fowler has pleaded guilty to the murder of 20-year-old accounting clerk Kenise Jackson. The offender pleaded guilty to murder Wednesday morning in the Home Circuit Court and will be sentenced on April 27. Frantic parents scrambled to collect their children after a man was shot in front of the Holy Rosary Primary School on Gibbs Avenue in East Kingston. The incident happened after 10 a.m. Wednesday morning, just meters away from the school. More details to come following further investigations. A chef has been arrested and charged following seizure of a pistol with a magazine containing 9 rounds of ammunition on Hellshire Beach in Portmore, St. Catherine on March 9.